Hello friends, thank you for clicking in this video. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can make dark mode in Microsoft Teams account. So this is simple tricks, just follow. We need to go Teams, click on the icon you can see here, click on it. Okay. After clicking this, you will get the interface of Microsoft Teams. So you can see, go to here, the three line, click on it, and the fourth one, settings, you can see, click on it, and here you can see the first option, dark theme. Okay, the first option, just turn it on, and you will need to restart the app to switch themes. Don't worry about this because you don't need to restart your phone. They want restore in this app, specifically this app. Okay, so restore, and after restarting, then you will get the dark mode of Microsoft Teams. Okay friend, make sure subscribe my channel and follow the page, and thank you for watching.